Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to look at top 3 layer 1 solution altcoin that might bring out new millionaires in 2024. In 2018 I made a YouTube video in this channel and wrote that Kadena could bring out the next crypto millionaire by 2020. I was wrong. It was not 2020, it was 2021. Same year I made that video, the price of Kadena was 0.09. It even dipped below 0.09 all the way to 0.018, I remember, because I DC'd my way down and held like a champ like most of us did in 2018. The price of Kadena peaked around $3.2. That's a 170x again just by buying the fear in the bear market while everyone was running away. Most of us who believed in the project and crypto just kept buying and DCA were down. I did not sell at the peak because I didn't know where the peak would be. I did sell around $2.5 around that area, and I sold everything to secure my profit. My point with this is, guys, true millionaires are made in the bear market. I'm pretty sure you heard that from others as well, but it is the truth. Of course, there's no guarantee. Everything is a risk. If everyone knew it was a guarantee, everyone will do it, right? You have to have risk management also. But I believe there's 3 good projects that could bring out the next crypto millionaires in 2024, and I believe they might be the right project. And let's look at my top 3 altcoins. Just remember, guys, take this as a grain of salt. Always do your own due diligence. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Have proper risk management or you might lose everything. There's no guarantees at all. These are only probabilities. And my number 1 pick is Mina protocol. Mina protocol is a privacy and security layer for Web3, and they are the lightest blockchain in the world. Fully transparent, guys, I have tried to be in the pre-sale in 2021 when they were launched. I did not manage it because I was number 3,000 or 300,000, sorry, something like that. If you wanted the same guy as I am, comment down below, guys. If you go down to the website and they are saying they were the lightest blockchain, right? And that is pretty accurate because they have a 22 kilobyte blockchain. All right, this is the fixed size, while other blockchain have 300 gigabyte, and that is most likely from Bitcoin, I believe, the 300 gigabyte. That is quite insane, right? So the technology is there, and they are not some shady fork of Ethereum. They are actually their own blockchain. They have their own language and so on. What I love with this blockchain is, without just reading this, that you own your own data, you own your own information. So if you're going to take a loan, crypto loan, something like that, you need to have some kind of a credit score, right? You need to give you a personal ID and people can view it and so on. And that's quite annoying. What this blockchain is doing is hiding your privacy, making your privacy yours. The best part is, because people are saying, well, if I hide my privacy, I can get a credit score, right? Pretty logically. However, Mina protocol and making sure that your credit score is still able to have a credit score and hide your data, your information, which I find amazing. That is why I'm so much in love with Mina protocol, and I believe this project will do phenomenal. But again, guys, remember, there's no guarantee. Mina protocol was built in 2017 by Evan Shapiro and Josh, but they were actually already in crypto in 2013. They didn't make much of it till they saw these big rally and the big adoption which were going on. So they had a brilliant idea to build their own blockchain. Now I'm not going to get into the depth of this. I will provide links down below so you guys can read about this team yourself. If we take a look at Mina Protocol's Twitter, they're pretty active, right? They have 191,000 followers, which seems legit without any bots, and they are sincere with their likes. So they are active with the social media as well, guys, and that is an important thing to understand. Crypto, you have to look at the social media. Are they legit? Are they using bots? And so far there's no bot in my but there's no bots what I can see. And the best part, guys, the market cap of this gem of altcoin is 441 million. All right, that is nothing compared to the technology, the community, the size of this blockchain. It's insane how undervalued this is. So I didn't buy at $3, $4 or $6. I believe $6 was the peak, an all-time high for this coin, because I knew when a bear market hit, we will go below than $1, and we did go below that $1. I'm still holding back for my buy zone. I will show you where I might buy, and it might change as well, because there's a correlation between Bitcoin and altcoin. So I do believe we will go further down. I might be wrong, but I will take that consequence. The price I believe what might happen if Bitcoin drops is 3 cents or 4 cents, guys, at the FIB level at 1618. Of course, this is just possibilities, no guarantees. It can have a reversal at maybe 6 cents and go to $7. Alright, this is a possibility as well. But I just believe when we're in a bear market, things will go down and down and down to bottom out. And I don't think we bottom out yet. I do believe you might bottom out at 4 cents or a FIB level 1618, which is the 0.37 cent of in this for this altcoin. A big shout out to today's sponsor, MEXC Global Exchange. They're a top 20 exchange with billion of volume and thousands of tokens. You can make an account all for free with no KYC, know your customer, and trade up to 10 Bitcoins. You also get a 10 BTC airdrop and $500 giveaway from MEXC Global by using my link provided down below, guys. My second pick is Kadena. Kadena is a layer 1 blockchain, and like Ethereum, they have a smart contract, they have no cost transaction, they are energy efficient, they have proven security, and the scalability should be amazing. That just means the transaction per second TPS is pretty fast according to Kadena. Now I'm not going to go to the depth of this tokenomic because it will take around 20 minutes. They have a complex tokenomic, but project is looking good, and I believe this is a great pick in 2024. However, guys, let's look at Kadena's founders, because these two founders have huge amount of talents, are amazing. Stuart Popjoy and Will Martino are the two founders, if I pronounce their name and last name correct. If we look at Stuart, he led JPM's emerging blockchain group, alright, important to understand. Will Martino was the tech lead for the SEC's Crypto Steering Committee. Yes, SEC's Crypto Steering Committee, that is insane. These guys built JP Morgan's first blockchain, the JPM coin, alright? So these guys are the top type people in the crypto space. They know what they're doing. A fast look at the social media for Kadena. If you look at Kadena's Twitter profile, we are seeing 217,000 people, and if you just scroll down, we are seeing that these likes are actually sincere also, so it doesn't seem so it's generated by bots. And look at this market cap, just insane. It is at $2 at the moment. I believe the peak was $24 or something like $24, $25. It peaked all the way, alright? Amazing people who got it at this price levels and sold it had made huge amount of money. Alright, what I am concerned about is the fully diluted market cap. I can't pronounce it apparently. That is 2 billion, alright? That just means to sustain this price level, you have to have this market cap, alright? And at the moment it's 380 million. So that's almost a 7 or 8x before we can sustain this price level. So I believe in TA101, I do believe we will go further down, especially in this bear market. But that just means a great buying opportunity. Also, if you look at the price action for Kadena, right? I just searched for this pretty fast, the cheat sheet for Wall Street, right? We are seeing a bubble popping, right? And then just going down to the accumulation area. It is pretty accurate, guys. It's looking exactly at the Wall Street cheat sheet right there, right? That is why I don't believe we are further down. We will go a bit more down. We can go down to the FIB level 1.618 all the way to $1.3. If you follow my channel, you guys know my tier for Kadena. Because if you're seeing here, this point right there is where the last candlesticks were, right? And at the moment, the price levels are holding it. We have great support. But if we do not hold this support, guys, we will go a little further down. And the next one will be around 200%, which is the 0.6 cent. Alright, so 6 cents for Kadena is a killer price in my opinion. I will personally buy Kadena at these levels. But again, remember guys, non-financial advice. Do what you do, I do what I do. Alright, I might get wrecked, and you might get wrecked. Always do your own due diligence. Anyway, TA101, I see great support at 1.618. However, if this doesn't hold, if Bitcoin crash even further, and all coins will pretty much be devastated and go a lot more down. And I do see that the last candlestick, which was right there, the accumulation area at these levels, if it goes down around this area, I will buy myself. I will buy a bit here and a lot more over this area because I see great support right here. The VPVR are also telling the same thing. My third pick is Solana. Yes, Solana. I know there's some kind of love and hate for this coin in the community, but I don't care. I'm here for the money. I know a lot of people came for the money and then just stuck for the tech. I don't care. You do you, I do me. I believe Solana will do tremendously in the next upcoming bull run in 2024. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. It has high TPS, it has a low cost fee, and a lot of nodes already. So this is already a growing ecosystem. So there are dApps built on Solana at the moment. Now Solana had some troubles in the fundamental point of view, and their network were down. So you also have to have that point of view in your mind when you buy Solana or just going to think to buy Solana. I was actually making TA video of Solana before I had this huge explosion. I was buying Solana at $2. I made a TA video when it was $25 or $40, something like that. And I was saying it was going to hit $100. That was my target. People thought I was crazy. I was ridiculous. Then I made a new TA video when saying my last TA target will be $250. Again, people thought I was crazy and ridiculous, but it hit $250 faster than I expected, right? And then I saw that we were in this huge bubble, and I made a new TA video saying that a correction was coming. It hit our TA target. The video is right there, guys. You can watch them yourself. Again, people were mad at me because now they're FOMO'd in. They're buying at the top, and people, emotionally in the market cycle, they're just attacking me and making fun and all these kind of things. But anyhow, I sold all my Solana at that time, and again, the rest is history, guys, because the correction did came and it went down below to $40. Why will I pick Solana as my number 3 altcoins when I already made more than 100x? Well, guys, I still believe Solana is a great project. I just saw it was undervalued and I bought, and then I saw it was overhyped and I sold. The market cycle, which I always tell my community. Wink wink, you guys can also join our free Discord server and learn all about this. Proper TA with risk management. Anyway, guys, point is I still believe Solana is a great project, and it has the backing of the CEO of FTX exchange, which is the top exchange in the world, and the CEO has a lot of influence on Washington and are lobbying there over. So I believe that Solana working with FTX and a lot of great team will have a huge potential, even though in this list they're also the one with the highest market cap. Now, don't get me wrong, 15 billion is high, right? But not high compared to Ethereum or Bitcoin. And this have a scalability, have a use case, have a growing ecosystem. So I do believe Solana will be a lot bigger in 2024. A fast look at the chart, guys, we can see on a technical point of view, it hit the FIB level 0382, lost the support at $45 and going down all the way to 0236 to $32. Alright, you have not a lot of volume. The volume is pretty much gone, as you guys are seeing. If you look at the VPVR, we are seeing a lot of support at this area. But once it dropped, guys, there's not a lot of support before it hit this FIB level. Alright, at $19.5, then there's not a lot of support. The other support will be around $19 and all the way to $13, but otherwise there's not much support before we hit around $4. As you guys can see the VPVR, there's some support, and around $3, and the last support might likely be $2, $2.4, and that is a killer price in my opinion. I personally, if it that these kind of areas, I will personally buy insanely amount of Solana, because that is just a killer price. I will just buy the price I got from last year, right? But of course, these are probabilities, no guaranteed. It can have a great support at this level, this FIB level 0236, because there's still a lot of support at this area. But because of the correlation between Bitcoin, the recession, high inflation, all these kind of things, a lot of these altcoins are getting devastated. And when this kind of altcoin falls, and guys, look, there's not a lot of support left. Once this break below $19, $20, not a lot of support left. Then the support will pretty much be gone, and we will have a huge downtrend for month ahead. All right, we will of course have some relief rally and so on. People FOMO in, but at the end, people pretty much get wrecked. All right, and again, retail are gone. There's some holders left, which I'm not trying to get the hopes up. Right, I'm not trying to kill any hopes. I'm just seeing what I read the chart, guys. But I will personally buy at these levels. I will buy already at $4.3. DCMA were down to $2.3 or $2, guys. There are still some altcoins which were not made in the list, but still could give you some great gains in 2024. And I'm talking still about Cardano, Binance Chain, Avalanche, FTM, the Phantom Foundation. We are talking about One Harmony and XRP. And the last, the most risky asset I can talk about in a layer 1 solution is Multivec. That asset, however, is in a high risk area because it's a low cap gem. Around, I believe it's 2 or 4 million in market cap. So it's almost nothing. If you're still here and watching this, I assume you're enjoying this content. If you do, guys, there's a recommending video on the left corner. I recommend you to also watch that video. And of course, see you in the Discord server.